Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Guyanese fudge. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and your chosen flavorings like vanilla or nutmeg. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed pot and a sturdy wooden spoon. Don't forget to lightly grease an 8 by 8-inch pan. This simple step makes a big difference when it's time to cut your delicious fudge. Now combine your sugar, milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter in the heavy-bottomed pot. Place it over medium heat, stirring continuously. This constant stirring is key to preventing the mixture from sticking and burning. Continue to cook until the mixture reaches 238 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the softball stage. A candy thermometer is very helpful here. Once the mixture reaches the softball stage, remove the pot from the heat. Let it cool undisturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the fun part. Beat the mixture vigorously with your wooden spoon. You'll notice it thickening and losing its glossy shine. This crucial step develops that wonderfully smooth, creamy texture we all love in Guyanese fudge. Quickly pour the thickened fudge into your lightly greased 8 by 8-inch pan, spreading it evenly. Resist the urge to touch it. Let the fudge cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or even overnight, before cutting it into squares. Once firm, slice it into your desired size. Store your homemade Guyanese fudge in an airtight container to keep it fresh and delicious for days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.